Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Kingston, Jamaica. Reports are gunmen made an attempt on one of Dudus' son's life yesterday in Tivoli Gardens, West Kingston. It appears that Titty Man just escaped with his life.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And there's some black people that put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them will them shut and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them will them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rasta man and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari Soldier, real fire king. Yeah, balalang bang,
Pick up Dudus TV. Respect, make sure to tune in here every time.
Thank you for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen, to Deep Roots TV. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Good evening. Kingston, Jamaica. Gunmen last night reportedly made an attempt on Dudus' son's life in Tivoli Garden in West Kingston, resulting in a shootout between two gangs in the community. Information reaching the Observer Online is that several men were in the neighborhood in the community descending on Tivoli in effort to kill the man, who he is said to be one of the leader of the community. Residents said that the men trade bullets in several minutes before invading the gun field in the community. Now, the head of Kingston Western Division, Senior Superintendent Michael Phipps, confirmed that there was a shootout in the area, but said that the police are still investigating to determine the motives behind. The resident could not say why the men targeted Dudus' son. Dudus' real name, Mark Christopher Cope, was the leader of the West Kingston before he was captured and extradited on a warrant taken to the United States, convicted on a drug-related charge. He is currently serving his sentence in the U.S. prison. Now, you hear what the newspaper asks. Resident couldn't say not why they targeted Dudus' son. Now, resident can't talk about Dudus' son. Tete man, yeah man. So, I and I man I'm not going to go on like say me can't talk about him just because I'm on social media personnel. But I and I man want to make you know the government involved in all of this. Them just use poor people, youth, to dash them away like shh and you are gone tea. So, I want to know if you overstand, say, I know, inform me, I try inform. I'm reading what's in the news. So, I don't want you to tell the Tivoli bad man, them figure going after the Rasta man. Don't do that, don't choose. I only have one pair of shows. So, the Kingston man, them, where they are Tivoli, no say, Dudus them have the stronghold still. From way back when, from him granddaddy Jim Brown and him godfather Edward Siaga run it town. So right now are the younger generations, and like Jim Brown and them man, them might talk about it and bounce fist and have some respect for each other. Nowadays youths don't have no respect for you. Them now ask your name, they just pull it out and let it go. I wet up the place like a them name God. You are gone tea and I make it rain. So in a Kingston, especially downtown in a Tivoli, you are going to, know, say, the Cook family run that for years. Everybody in the world know that, so, I don't know, news. So, the man, them a try turn over the order and turn it into a new norm, so, them roll down in a Tivoli and try to quang out Titty Man. Now, Titty Man stand know, say, boy, the people, them got him because of 3 generations of him family around garden. Residents said that men trade bullets for several minutes before they evaded the community. The gunmen fled. Basically, they must say, now, Western Kingston Police, Michael Phipps, they might talk about him confirmed that there was a shooting in the area. And resident couldn't tell what triggered the target of Dudus' son. Them man that shouldn't even say them thing there, but them just a say it for newspaper. Because you know nobody not talk. You mad you can go to Tivoli and go investigate and ask about who did this and what them a do it for. You know a fool? I don't know nonsense. It is a simple way you can do that. Everybody knows that the system have the police and the soldier now make no difference. The government now make no difference because government war crime to run rampant so them can feel important. So the people them can scared and the people them can vote for them. You are going to everybody know eye on crime in time. Darkness don't like light and lying tongues don't like the truth. So when you have the camera and you video him and you bring the evidence, he can't get wet. You can ask witness to come in and you not pay witness and you not protect witness and after before witness come witness I get quen. You not take people for fool. If I me and the people them, I wouldn't talk to none of you. You know the golden rules. Jamaica, keep by your mouth and keep your life. More joy, more happiness. You hear that? Garden in our fight. They come to take out the son titty man. You are gone tea. The one we get off of the case the other day. Yeah, the one we get off of the case the other day. So somebody might be upset. Say him get away. More life or more joy. So government put him back out because be a chaos in the community. I'm just saying. Subscribe, like, and share, and leave your comment. Let me know if I'm speaking the truth here at Day Approach TV. Government perpetuate crime on mankind so them can have something to do with their time. Without crime, government no have nothing to do. Them no want to solve the crime in a beautiful island so them can play them dog and horse and pony show when this is a human race, not a rat race. You hear the case? Them say the people them go a garden, go at Tivoli, go wet up a place, trying to beat off Dudus' son, titty man. Leave your comment. Leave your comment, my family.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure you tune in.
It's a sad situation. Everywhere me go Panjalan and me see the melanated man and woman appear poverty and crime. Unbelievable. Yeah. Shocking. When will it end? Friend a kill friend. Now them a try to kill off Dudus' son. Titty man.